this is going to be Do It Again by Steely Dan. This is mostly going to focus on Denny Diaz's guitar solo, that sitar sounding one. Got some great notes in here. We're going to have basically a G minor 7, 3, 5, and all threes. That's your main chord. That's going to go for 20 bars. So it's like 4 bars is one sequence through, and you do 5 sequences of that. And then we're going to get into the C minor 7, which is 3 on the A string, 3, 5, 3, 4, 3. We're going to go. That's a D minor 7, same thing, up 2 frets. We go to the E flat major 7, so we got 6 on the A string, 8, 7, 8, 6. That's your E flat major 7. You go back to the D minor 7, and then you're back to G minor 7. Okay, so it does that twice through, and you're back into your G minor 7 vamp. Okay, we're going to start out. The first measure is going to go 3, 4, 1. Okay, so we have a hit on the 2 and the and of the 3 and the and of the 4. So it's 3, 4, 1, 2, and. Okay, 3, 4, 1, 2, and. We get into the next measure, we're going to have on the second beat, we're going to have a 5 open pull off. And then after the 3, we're going to have that. So the 2 measures together, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, getting into the third measure, we have 3, 4, 1. So 5-0 pull off, and then 3 to 3, D to A strings, and then 5-0 pull off again to that 3 on the D. Hold this into the new measure, pull it off. So altogether we got 3, 4, 1. Okay, so getting to that new thing, we got the 5 holds over. We got the 3 to 3 to 5 again on the D string. Then we have a hammer on, open to 3 on the D, 3 on the A, 3, 4, 5 on the A. He loves to do those chromatics like that. So these first 4 measures, we got 3, 4, 1. Okay, on to the next measure, we got 3, 5, then like a hammer, open to 5, kind of a quick hammer on pull off, 3, 5, 3 on the D, 5 on the A, 1. Okay, so we got that quick one. And here we have 3, 4, 5. Staccato on that 3 on the D. And I went to the D open, to the 2 on the G string. I'm going to go 8, 7, 5, coming down the A string to G string. So it's. Got a quick slide, 4 to 5 on the B string. To the 8, and then we're going to come up here 8 to 9 on the G. So 8 to 9, quick slide, middle finger G string, 8 on the B, 11 to 8, 10 to 10 here. And then we got a 8, 7 on the second to third string, to the 10 on the G. So let's look at all that we got. And then 5, 5, 3, 3, 5 right here. So let's look at everything. 3, 4, 1. So here we got a 5 to 3, D to G, 2 on the G, 3 on the D, 2 5s on the A. We got a 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 5 over here in the G. So let's go back a bit to the 3, 4, 5. So da da dee do da 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 da, and at the last second you hit that 5. So we got. we have a riff. 2 times we have this riff. So we have 3, 5, 3 with these fingers here on the G. Got to use those because got to use that first finger on the 2. So we got 3, 5, 3 to 2. 3 to 5 hammer on the D string. 2, 5 on the G. We do that twice. So it's. And then we got a monster riff here. We got. Okay, so we got 3, 2, 3. I like to pull that first one off. We're gonna jump over here to the 5 with the ring finger because we got a 3, 4, 5. It's a lot easier to play that way. So we got 3, 2, 3, and then 5, 3, 4, 5 on the D. 3 on the G. We got a 6, 3 pull off after the 3. 5, 4 to 3 is a pull off. So a little chromatic there. 3, 6 on the B. Half step slide into that 5 on the little string there. So we got. 3, 5, 6 on the second. 3 to 3. 6 to 5 to 5. Okay, so let's look at all this. We got. And then next measure. So 3 on the second to 5 on the G. Hammer on pull off on that G. 5 on the D. So. And there we go. So 3 to 5 on the D. 3 on the G. Back down the 5, 3 to the open D. So. And then we're going to go into the A string 5. The 3 underneath. Slide it back. Got the 1 right here. 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3 here. So let's go back a little. We got. Then we're going into the 5. 3, 5 on the D. 3, 5 on the G. Okay, so this part's tricky. We're going to go kind of have your pinky on this 8 on the second string. We're going to slide from 5 to 6 on the G string and then hit that little 8. 5, 8, 7, 8, 5, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8. And we're going to slide down 7 to 5 to 3. 5, 3, 5. So let's look at all this again. We got. Okay, to the slide down. So we're gonna go chromatics here. We got. Okay, so when we come down this new measure, we're gonna have the slide. 5 is the new measure. 5, 3, 5, 3, 5 on the D. 3 on the G, and then we got chromatics. 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, and then 5 back up to 3 and 5 here. So we have a double hammer here, 3, 4, 5 on the D to the 3, go into the 5, go into the 7, 7 to 10, and then 8 over here. Let's look back a little bit. We got. Okay, and then. So 5, 7, 7 to 10 to 8. And then we're going to have 10 to 12 on the G to 11 on the B. And then we're going to double hit this 10 and get into these sets of 3 notes here. So once again, we got. Now after you do that twice, you got. You're going to go up to the 12 and 14 and 13. Do it twice, come back. Do it again. And now you're going to do 3 sets of this. This is where the chord change happens. Then we're going to come down into a run out of that. So this whole kind of thing is. kind of like you go 3 high notes on the lower one. When you go up, you don't really have time for the high one. You come on back, so it's. And the second time of the high one on this, you go down to the 10. 8, 6, 8. 6 over here on the G. Okay, so we got. Okay, so we kind of hold this one over into the new measure. So you got 6, 5. Once you hit this 3, we're going fast. So it's 3, 5, 3, 4, 5. So to the 3 and then backwards 5, 4, 3. 5, 3, 5. Here we have bump da dee da doo da dee da doo da dum. Okay, we're getting to the last kind of riffs here. So this is a nice tricky one. We got 5, 6, 5, 3. Then 6, 5, 3. 4 to 5 on the D to a 3 over here. So we got 3 and then 6, 5, 3. 4, 5, 3 again. Then we got 5, 3, 6, 3 pull-offs. 5, 4, 3 with a pull-off. And then twice on the D string. And then 5, 3, 4 on the A. Now we got a new measure. 5, 3, 5, 5. And that's A to D strings. 3, 3 on the D to G strings. 5, 5 on the same. 3, 3 on the next. 3 to 6 this time, G to B strings. 3, 3, 6, 6. 3, 5, 6 on the second, 3 to 3. And then we got triplets. 6, 5, 5. 3, 3, 5. Got a quick one there, 2, 3, 2. To the 3, and we got another triplet, 5, 3, 2. Definitely check out the tabs on this. Download that free tab, it helps out a lot. Go to the 5 here, and then we're gonna have. So we got 3, 5, 3. Do it that way if you want. To the 2, 3, 5, 6, and 3. Okay, so we're going to go through the whole thing real slow. And how I played it in the beginning was like much slower than how they're really playing it. So I broke it way, way down for you. I think they're at 125. And I think I was somewhere like 108 or something, 110 or something. Okay, so here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1. See how that changes timings there? All right, do it again. The great Steely Dan, the great Denny Diaz, doing it again. Talk to y'all soon.